When I was a tech coordinator, I wanted to get a job as a tech director. And there's not a class you can take. There's not a degree program for you. Most of us just got the job and then had to learn on the job and figure it all out for ourselves. And so Justin and I were talking about, wouldn't it be great if there was a pipeline? If you wanted to become a tech director, that there was a program where you could go to learn. And so we thought there would be a really good opportunity for all of those people who want to eventually become a tech director or a primary technology leadership role to have a certification program that would help them achieve their career goals.
During the second day, we were looking at a bunch of case studies and we were discussing things, and it hit me like these people are just like me. They might be at a different school, they might be a different country, but they're dealing with the same kinds of things that we all are dealing with.
I'd say this program has opened up my eyes, and it has given me many ideas which I could bring back to implement, because you see, based on the networking that I've done here, I think it has given me a new set of eyes, on things which I've looked at throughout these past 2 days. I think I've learned a lot.
This opportunity to be able to connect with other colleagues and educators who are in similar roles, being able to hear from them the challenges that they face, as well as how they resolve certain issues, and being able to get some of the ideas that they have and try and see how that can be implemented in my own school context.